Katie. Katie loves the doorstop. What are you doing over there? Boing! What was that? That's funny. Is that the doorstop? I had to take the plastic thing off the end because I didn't want her to take that off and eat it. Gosh knows she eats everything. Boing! What are you doing? Maddie, stop that. Katie. 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 Uh-oh. Katie, what are you doing? Oh, back to the doorstop. Fascinating. What are you doing over there? You better be careful. No chewing on the chair. Katie. Hey, can you say hi for the camera? Can you say hi? No? Not yet? Okie dokie. Say hi. Say bye-bye. You need to get down from there. Say bye-bye.